Step-by-step guide for play therapy session using the smart tabletop. For the recording, you will need a video camera, a memory card, a tripod, and a pen drive. To insert the SD card into the video camera, slide the card into the slot at the bottom of the side of the camera. The card will click into place once inserted. Once done, slide the cover of the compartment back into place. Mount the video camera onto the tripod. Connect the power cord to the camera and plug it into the socket. Make sure the main switch is on. Switch on the video camera by pressing the power button. Now, position the camera so that you could frame the child with the therapist as well as the surface of the tabletop. To switch on the tabletop, press the silver button on the side of the tabletop. Insert the pen drive into the USB port at the side of the tabletop. Double tap the magic line shortcut icon. The tabletop is now ready for the child to start their play. Once you and the child are ready, press the record button. The session is now being recorded. Once the session ended, press the record button again to stop the recording. Take out the SD card from the compartment by sliding its cover. Push the card down and it will pop up. Finally, take out the pen drive from the USB port from the side of the table. To upload the data you've collected, you will need a computer with an internet access. Open the web browser, type in the site address or the URL as given. Once successful, you'll see the page saying, "Get started with play therapy." Click on the "I'm ready" button. To log in, type in your username and password. If you haven't got an account, please request it from the contact person. Next, if your computer doesn't have a built-in card reader, you will need an external reader like this. Plug it into the USB port. Insert the SD card into the corresponding port on the side of the card reader. Now, click on the Add Recording button on your computer screen. Click the Browse button. Select My Computer. Choose the correct drive and click Open. Next, select SD video folder and click on the video file you would like to upload. Once the video file is chosen, click Add Recording button on the screen. You should wait a moment for the file to be uploaded depending on the file size. Once uploaded, your video file will appear on the list of recordings next to your name and upload date. In order to upload the data from the pen drive, insert it into the USB port on your computer. Now, repeat the same procedure as uploading the video file. However, select the correct drive to your USB pen drive. If the upload was successful, the file name will appear on the recording list. One of the most common problems likely to happen with any computer is when the system stops responding. This is also called computer freezing. If this problem occurs, you will need to restart the system. In order to restart the system, you will need a mouse and a keyboard plugged into the USB ports on the side of the table. Now, you will need to simultaneously press Ctrl, Alternate, and the Delete buttons on the keyboard. Next, click on the Start Task Manager that would appear on the screen. Choose Magic Land Program from the list and click End Process button. Confirm again that you wish to end the process. Now, press the Command button to open the Windows Start menu. Select the Magic Learn shortcut from the menu. The system is now reloaded and ready to be used.